sense the more frames you get, huh?
Like when you get store honey, it tastes sugary, like sweet. This doesn't taste sweet. It just tastes honey.
Just smooth.
Yeah, really good honey. I'm very excited. I need to make some
That's
biscuits.
a lot of honey in that. Some cat brood on their
Pollen. Tons of pollen in this one.
Pollen's part of their food stores as well.
so neat. Yeah.
I'm excited we have bees.
They've done an awful lot. And how many weeks
You're
have we had?
big
A
bee.
month?
Which one?
We got
Coming
them
in through the handle.
The one
right
right
by your
by
right
hand.
hand.
The
That's a
20th
really
of
big
May.
bee.
20th of May.
Fresh cone. Pollen.
Lots of bees. Holy cow.
Fir cone.
That's the excess.
Oh, Burcombe is called the excess.
Yeah, that's. Ooh. On there.
It's just amazing.
Oh, I see. That's one of the short ones, isn't it, sweetie, that they've drawn out? They've done
No,
No,
this
it's a
is
big one.
this is
The top.
this is one that's
that. Yeah, just the top.
frameless.
Yeah. No, all that that was just had the small strip.
Yeah, I
across
know. But if you look, they didn't build really on the strip. They built right below the strip.
Whoa.
Oh gosh, are you okay?
Well, are the bees okay?
Well, that's what I meant. You
Looks like it.
are the hive. Are the ladies?
They're okay. The bees underneath caught them. It was amazing.
Well, even for that, they're not flying around.
It's cool today.
It's true. Yeah.
Over under the tree.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I know. Joe's getting it though. Okay, baby.
Yes.
There's that little piece of Burcombe right there. Can you snag that?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Oh, you are awesome.
I'm trying to keep away from them. I have to clean all the bees off of what I got down here too.
You're the best beekeeper assistant. I have my honey jar over here too for Burcombe with honey.
Ooh, don't fall in.
Nothing on this side.
No. See how that one's just plain
Yeah, there's nothing drawn out on it.
and flat? That's a plastic one.
So they've got room to grow yet.
Yes.
So we don't need to put it in the house.
There, I got you.
Joe's working on that.
Hey. Hey, dude, get off me.
Hey.
The
Hey,
last
lady.
frame's got nothing on it.
Hey, lady.
There's a lot of bees in that hive.
We're good. We're good. Back up. Thank you.
All right.
Plenty of workers.
Quite a few drones looking like. We can
Still
see.
didn't spot the queen. I think they hide her.
Yeah.
Well, she's hard to spot anyway.
I bet you they
and
do though.
she'll go down around the if you're looking on this side,
She'll hide
go
on the
down
other
around the
side.
other side, and when you flip it over, she'll travel back.
I mean, it makes sense, you know.
Hide the queen.
The
Like a
queen
chess game.
is the most valuable piece. I'm excited. This is cool. Oh, hey, look, they've finished almost all the honey because now they're all moving around on the lid.
Yeah, just so you know, over here on this side, honey, underneath that grip, they are trying to get in. So there's quite a few of them if you put your fingers down underneath there. Snag it. Squish one, I should say.
Hi, cutie.
Oh, you've got lots of pollen.
Can I snag a shot of you, baby girl?